My dear students, class 10 Cbse, we welcome you all to our channel Mind Mapping. Today we have taken a topic, a question from your sample question paper prescribed for the class 10 examination 2025, and this is from chemistry, balancing a chemical equation, balancing a skeletal equation. Okay, and from that question we shall generate probable questions or targeted questions that are expected to be set in Cbse examinations. So let's start. The question is like this: P lead nitrate, okay, that is solid, when heated up gives out, that is lead oxide solid, Q, R nitrogen dioxide gaseous, and oxygen gaseous. Now what's the question? So we have to find out P, Q and R so that the equation will be a balanced one. Okay. So what are the options? 224, 242, 244 and 422. These are the options given in A, B, C and D. So we have to find out P, Q, R. These are non-negative whole numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers so that our equation will be balanced. If you are confident and if you are well acquainted, then apply the trial and error method to get your answer as quick as possible. Okay, and we have displayed here the method how to balance a skeletal reaction, a skeletal chemical equation using these tables. And this is meant for average learners, those who have not understood how to balance a chemical equation. Okay. So first you write the element or elements, the reactant or reactants, product or products. Okay, and here number of atoms you write. Okay, the reactant is called left hand side of the equation LHS, and the product is the RHS side. Okay. So in this question, so let's now what are the elements? That is lead, Vb, and nitrogen, here nitrogen, and oxygen, here oxygen. Okay, these are the elements and these are the symbols, and symbols represent the elements. Okay, okay. Now you see the number of atoms. Let's count. So Pb lead. So reactant side, that is 1, and reactant and the product side also 1. That is correct. 1 and 1. Nitrogen, that is nitrogen 2. Here 2, and here nitrogen is 1. And here you commit mistake, that is within bracket 2 is multiplied with actually number of oxygen atoms is 6 and number of nitrogen atoms 2. Some students they commit mistake here. Okay. Then oxygen, you see oxygen 6 this side, and reactant side oxygen 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5. Now this is our initial position. Now look at which atom, the number of atom which more in number. Now we focus this one, the oxygen. Let's now attack the oxygen first. Okay, so in step 1 what we have done, you see step 1. In step 1 we have multiplied 2 here. We have multiplied 2 on the reactant side. Okay, so now we see in step 1, so Pb, that is 1, Pb 1, and here Pb 2 because multiplied 2. Okay, then nitrogen, you see nitrogen 2 no change, oxygen it no change 6, but here lead 2 and oxygen, sorry, nitrogen, nitrogen is 1 no change, but oxygen, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. Okay, that is 2, here you see 2, here 2 plus 2 6. Now we got actually 6 6. So we are not happy because here 1 and here 2 and 1, because we have to equal the number of atoms on the reactant side and the product side as per the law of conservation of mass. Okay. Then step 2, what we have done, we have multiplied 2 on the reactant side. Now you see 2 is multiplied. Now you see 2 is multiplied, it becomes 2 and it becomes 4 and it becomes 12. Now count. Near PB lead 2, here PB2, and nitrogen, you see nitrogen 2 into 2 4, nitrogen 4, and oxygen, you see 6 into 2 12. Okay, and the reactant side you see that is lead now 2, it is okay. Okay, lead now 2, nitrogen here nitrogen, sorry, here nitrogen 4, but here the reactant side, sorry, product side, nitrogen is 1, and oxygen you see 2 into 3 6 and 12, oxygen 12, and here oxygen is step 2, 2 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. So here 6 and 12, here 2 2 and here 1 and 4. Now in the third step we have multiplied, because we have to equalize that nitrogen atoms 4 we have multiplied. Okay, so in the third step we have multiplied 4 here. Now you calculate 2b, pb is 2, okay, 2 reactant side, nitrogen 2n and 2, that is 4. Okay, and oxygen 2 into 3 6 into 12, reactant side 2 pb. Okay, so pb2, and sorry, nitrogen you see 4n, that is 4. Now calculate oxygen 2 4 to 8, 2 plus 8 plus 2 12. Now we got the answer. Okay, the first we multiplied 2 here, second we multiplied 2 here, third we multiplied 4 here. So answer is 2 to 4. Okay. The answer is 2 to 4. That is means P 2, Q is equal to 2, and R is equal to 4. Okay, that is the answer. It is given in your marking scheme, answer scheme. Okay, in the answer sheet. That is all about how to balance a skeletal chemical equation. Okay, and if you are thorough, if you are conversant or acquainted, then you can actually apply trial and error to save your time. Okay, and this is for average learners and below average learners, those who have not understood the concept how to means balance the reactants and the products. Okay, from these questions let's generate some other questions which were probably set in the previous examinations and expected to be set in the upcoming examinations. Okay, so let me read these questions we have developed. We have developed these questions. We have not borrowed from any source. This is our reliable institution, and we don't like to borrow from any other commercial organization or commercial sources. X is a substance. You see X. X is a substance when heated up. Okay, in a in a boiling in a boiling tube, brown fumes are released. You see the keyword, brown fumes are released, and a new substance is formed in the boiling tube. What are the questions? So we have developed 1 2 3 4 5 6 big questions from this question only. Okay, name the type of the chemical reaction. So what type of reaction is it? We can say, you see, a single substance is break down or split on heating into two or more products. So This is called decomposition reaction, and since it is heat is applied, okay, so it is called thermal decomposition. So another two type of decomposition reactions are there. Like one is the other one is electrolytic decomposition, and one is photo decomposition or photolytic decomposition. Okay, so this is an example of thermal decomposition. So the name of chemical reaction is thermal decomposition. Simple decomposition, but thermal decomposition. Okay. Name the substance X. Write its formula. Okay. Name the substance X. Simple. This is the answer. That is lead nitrate. So X is lead nitrate. Okay. So you can write this. Okay. And other than that, it will be difficult for you because it is displayed here. Name the brown fumes and write its molecular formula. What is the brown fume? And now it is clear. This is the brown fume. Nitrogen dioxide. So you have to write simple nitrogen dioxide. 1 mark. Nitrogen dioxide. When heated up, it releases the brown fumes. These are called nitrogen dioxide. Okay. So this question is over. This is over. This is over. This is over. Very simple. Write the molecular formula of the substance produced in the boiling tube. In the boiling tube, what is produced? This is produced. That is lead oxide. Okay. So you can simple write that is lead oxide. Okay. Now you see, write the colors of the substance X and Y. This is a very tricky question. Okay. So X is colorless, but actually it turns yellow. Okay. It turns yellow when heated up. And this question was asked in different mode. These are the modalities, these are the ways of asking questions. And the paper setters, they want to test to what extent the learner has understood. In different ways, they can put the question, they can set the question. Okay. So colors, here colorless turns, colorless means white. White is not a color anyway, colorless to that is yellow, yellowish color. Okay. Write the balanced chemical equation of the reaction. The balanced chemical equation, this one that we derived. This one is the balanced chemical reaction. 2 lead nitrate that is solid when heated up produces or gives rise to 2 lead oxide plus 4 nitrogen dioxide gas, and this solid and the oxygen gas. Now this is the result. From these questions, these are the derivatives. These are the derived questions which are likely to be set, or similar questions are likely to set in the upcoming board CBSE board examinations. Hope you have understood our purpose and our discussion and the concept displayed here and the probable questions. You please take a screenshot or note down the questions and try to do it, because the answer is already given here. From the answer we have developed all these questions. Without the answer you are in dark. Unless you have understood, you can't answer all these questions. Okay. And these type of questions were set in CBSE examination previously. So stay tuned to watch our next video, that is from biology. Okay. And if you like, you may subscribe to the channel and share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you again.